Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect, unique, cozy sweater to get you through sweater weather?
Check this one out from 1901 Society. It is the coziest boho cardigan that is nice and oversized. It has this beautiful cowl neck that is just so gorgeous. And I love all of the different patterns going on this sweater. It is such a high quality made item and it really has like everything. It is soft, it's warm, and it's just so unique with all of this going on. I love all the little details like the magnetic buttons and the extra little ties at the bottom that you can actually cinch your sweater up with. The stitching is beautiful, and I got this sized down into a medium since it is nice and oversized. It works with any outfit, dressed up or dressed down.
This is the perfect sweater to add to your wardrobe. I am 100% in love with it, and I know you will be too. And that's my point of view.